Hello, this is still under the Technology and Livelihood Education Exploratory course of Electrical Installation and Maintenance for grade 7 students. You may refer to your learning module while we discuss this lesson.
Good to see you come around. I know you've been lost, I'm glad you got found, 'cause I've been a little lost myself. Found an old picture of you on my phone. Got a new feeling now, I won't let go till I can tell you for myself. Why don't you stay for a while? It's been too long since I've smiled. There's too few people I trust.
For today's topic, I am going to discuss the different functions in the multimeter, how to read the resistance and the voltage with the use of a multimeter. So as you can remember, a multimeter, a multitester, or a VOM or the volt-ohm-millimeter is an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit. For this video, I am going to show you how to read the resistance and the voltage using the multimeter.
Girl, it's really good to see you come around. I know you've been lost, I'm glad you got found, 'cause I've been a little lost myself. Found an old picture of you on my phone. Got a new feeling now, I won't let go till I can tell you for myself. Why don't you stay for a while? It's been too long since I've smiled. There's too few people I trust. I won't ask you for too much, good conversation and such. And if I'm being honest, from time to time you cross my mind. Good company is hard to find. From time to time you cross my mind. So stay with me just for the night. Got an old record in a beat up sleeve, that same sad song that you sang to me back when you couldn't say it for yourself. Look, I'd be lying if I said to you that I know exactly what I should do, but I've set my whole heart on trying. Why don't you stay for a while? It's been too long since I've smiled. There's too few people I trust. I won't ask you for too much, good conversation and such. And if I'm being honest, from time to time you cross my mind. Good company is hard to find. From time to time you cross my mind. So stay with me just for the night. From time to time you cross my mind. Good company is hard to find. From time to time you cross my mind. So stay with me just for the night.
Let's talk about reading the ohmic value. if you look at this scale here, the very top part is the ohms. 0 ohms means no resistance up to here, which is the infinity ohms, which is what we have when the test leads are open or the test probes are open. Before reading the ohmic value, we need to set our meter to DC. Then take a range selector knob to the highest range, the R times 10,000, R being the resistance. So R times 10,000. When you put on your test probes together, the pointer is going to fluctuate somewhere in here. We use the 0 ohm dial or the 0 ohm adjustment knob to bring the pointer down until it zeroes out. That way, you zeroed out the meter. So, why do we need to zero out the meter? It's because we need to get accurate resistance reading. You must calibrate it. To get accurate resistance reading, we must calibrate the multimeter. Once it's zeroed out, we can pick a range scale to go on depending on what we think that ohmic value is. So, if I have R times 1, okay, that's correct. R times 1, if I came up to here, that would be 10 ohms. So, when I'm on R times 1, if I'm on R times 100, that would be 10,000 ohms. And if I am on R times 10,000, okay, that would be 100,000 ohms. So this is how you read it from the right to the left part. When you want to read the voltage, if you don't know the voltage yet, always select the highest scale. But if you know your voltage, select the appropriate scale. For example, let's say I was going to work on 120 volts. I would select the 250 volt scale, put it on my AC, because that's what we're going to read first. And that is this scale right here, that reads from here to here. And the numbers up here is the 250 volt scale. So it has different scales for the 10 volts, for the 50 volts, and for the 250 volts. So if I am on a 250 volt scale and this is on this part, that means as 125 volts. If I was on the 50 volt scale, that would be 25 volts, and if I go on the 10 volt scale, that would be 5 volts. That is how you read the AC scale or the alternating current scale.
'cause I've been a little lost myself. Found an old picture of you on my phone. Got a new feeling now, I won't let go till I can tell you for myself.